time the Arati? Huh?
Oh, we'll talk after class.
After class? After class? No, the time fixed or not?
Sorry.
Time
fixed.
We do, normally we have fixed morning and evening aarti. Midday aarti normally like around 12, but now it's programmed, so.
Generally you have Mangal Aarti and evening program, evening Aarti.
Fixed.
Midday not.
Midday, because sometimes going out, so then when we are here, the midday aarti like 12, maybe after this.
12?
Yes, later.
20 not. And Sita, what time the midday Aarti?
When you finish.
Huh?
When you complete your class.
I completely have to get full class.
But it needs to be before evening class.
Evening program. Today only evening program.
Just another one.
What time that is?
I think 6, I think. I'm not really sure. 6 is, can make sure to come on.
For
Let me see.
the flaps. Okay. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikavai Tadalai Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadabhaktaya Namo Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaurakti Sena He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopisha Gopika Kanta Radha Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishalakamsate Devi Om Vrindavai Tulasi Devai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Radha Shri Vasudeva Gaura Bhaktarinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare So what do we speak? Yeah. So first of all, offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam. Lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sajnana Bhakti Vedanta Sravana Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sajnana Bhakti Vedanta Sravana Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam. Lotus Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sajnana Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Sudhar Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava Vaishnavis. I want to speak in the conversation between Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sanatana Goswami Pad. Sanatana Goswami Pad. He asked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, के आमी केनो मरे जारे तापत्र यहाँ नहीं जानी कोई चेत रमण हित है साध साधन तत्व उचित न जाने कृपा करी सब तत्व कहत आपन सनातन गोस्वामी पाद in this way he asked 6 questions to him. First he asked ke ami means who am I? Why am I suffering the 3 folds of Maya? Okay. And how will I free from the clutches of the Maya? And what is my sadhan tattva and the Shaddha tattva? Sadhan means process. Asaddha means go. Then, according to the encouragement of Sanatana Goswami Pad, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also humble told him, yes, Sanatana, you have Krishna Bhakti. Krishna Bhakti dharatmi janat tattva bhav. Jani dadda lagi puche sadhur vyavahar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Sanatana, you know all Tattva Siddhanta because you have Siddha Bhakti. Because Bhakti manifested one's heart, he has 3 qualifications. Then, what are the 3 qualifications? He knows Tattva Siddhanta. Then, Vasudevi Parabhakti, who has Parabhakti, Srestha Bhakti, and highest devotional service to Lord Vasudeva Krishna. And so he has 3 qualifications. And Jnana, Vairagya, Jat, Aitika. Jnana means transcendental knowledge. He has vast of transcendental knowledge. Jnana. Vairagya means and renunciation. And और अहितुकी भक्ति सेवा वृत्ति है because bhakti manifests a bhakti manifests one's heart with the 6 symptoms. Gyan means just I also explained Gyan 3 types of Gyan. Tatpadartha Gyan, another is called Tampadartha Gyan, and another is called Jiva Brahmavika Gyan. Tatpadartha Gyan, the knowledge about Lord. Because Tatpadartha Gyan. Tampadartha Gyan, what is that? The knowledge about his soul, Atma Tattva, Atma Gyan, Bhagavad Gyan and Atma Gyan, Tatpadartha Gyan and Tampadartha. A Jiva Brahma Oika Gyan, oneness with the merge of Lord. That is a Brahma Gyan. They want to march in Brahma, that is Brahman life. And so in this way, Shastra explains this way. But in the beginning, have to accept the first 2 types of knowledge, Tattvadartha Gyan and Tampadartha Gyan. The knowledge about Lord, the knowledge about soul. But you have to reject the knowledge about Advaita Gyan. And reject one is Brahma or submerge in Brahma Gyan. Actually, here for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, "Je sab tattva janu tamar nahi tapatra." कृष्ण कहे प्रभु कहे कृष्ण कृपा तुम्हारे पूर्ण है सब तत्व जानो तुम्हार नहीं तापत्र कृष्ण भक्ति धर तुम्हें जानो तत्व भाव जानी दाड्य लगी पूछे साधु व्यवहार. This is the why you are asking, because this is your, that is called humbleness, humility, daina. Eh? Sometimes sadhus, they ask some question. That is called Daina. Daina, understand? Yeah? So, but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, योग्य पात्र हो तुम्ही भक्ति प्रवर्तिते क्रमे सब तत्व सुनो कहिए तुम्हारे. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again told all tattva siddhanta to him. Then Mahaprabhu told about Jiva Tattva. Jiva Sarup Hoy Krishna Nityadas. All the living entities, they are the eternal servant of Krishna. And Jiva is called the Tatastha Shakti, the marginal potency of Lord. And difference and non-difference from Krishna also. Krishna Sahavikti Sakti Parinati Chit Sakti Jiv Sakti Aramaya Sakti. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu step by step explain this. Krishna has and spontaneous three potency. That is called Chit Sakti, Jiva Sakti and Maya Sakti. Considering the potency of the Lord. And Jiva Sakti, Krishna's Jiva Sakti, the marginal, what is called? Jiva Sakti. Then what is called? Tasya Shakti, Vivinansa Shakti. There are many names. Or Maya Shakti, external potency of Lord. Maya Shakti, Vairanga Shakti, Maya Shakti. In this way, Mahaprabhu step by step explain. And Jiva is also suffering in this material world. Krishna Bhuli se Jiv Anadi Bahirmukh Atev Maya Tere Day Samsaradi Dukh Kabhu Sargi Uthai Kabhu Narake Divai Danda Jane Raja Jana Nadi Techuvai. And Mahaprabhu told, according the karma Jivas, they are doing bad karma or good karma. So according to that bad karma, good karma, going sometimes higher planet, sometimes going lower planet. In this way, wandering the cycle of repeated birth and death, Janma Mrityu, and suffering the three folds of Maya, Adyantik, Adidoivik and Adibhautik. Yes. But what is our fault? Why you have come in this material world? Because we did not serve Krishna. And we misuse our independence potential. Then Swatantra Sakti, Apabhyavhar. What did I say?
That we came in this material world because we misused our independence and didn't serve
Oh,
Krishna.
very nice word. You remember, good, eh? Yeah. It's good. Jiva has independence potential, Swatantra Sakti. What is that? To serve to Krishna. But we did not serve to Krishna. This is our fault. So saying, Vayam Ditya Ubhinibhisatasya Ishado Apatisya Viparjo Asmriti Tanmayatva Buddha Abhajittam Bhakti Kesam Guru Devata Atma. Very clearly explained the words. How the living entities entangled with Maya. Then what happened? When Jiva attacked, क्या बोलते हैं, आकृष्ट हो गया,
became attracted.
Attracted Maya, become attracted Maya. Because Maya is very glittery and beautiful. What is it? Very easy, Jivas, attracted with Maya. If anything is very nice, beautiful, and glittering, what is called? Shining, lighting. Automatically our eyes are going on. one who comes a very nice, beautiful, decorated ornaments, clothes. All your eyes going in where? Or if anybody Surpanakha will come, no one gives the attention. This is true. So Putana, she came in Braj. She manifested very nice, beautiful young lady. Heard? I told this Katha. Bhagavad Sapta in Gujarat. When Putana, she came in Braj. She disguised very nice, beautiful young lady. So everybody also attached. And no one also asked her where he has come from. No one asked. Because everybody is gazing. Gaze. There must be she has come from upper planets, maybe Vaikuntha, or heavenly planets. For this regard, no one checked her. Without checking metal detector. No one checking. So, and she also very nice. She was very bold. She is thinking many times she has come and going. Just enter in inner chamber of Mother Yashoda, where baby Krishna was laying on the bed. No one checking. If an unknown person will come, then everybody will ask, where will come? That same unknown person will decorate very nice, beautiful clothes, these things, and acting the role, I am very your close relative, they won't check. Why I am saying, because Maya, this is the duties of Maya. Maya, she creates these types of illusion in the heart of the conditioned soul. So for this regard, Bhayam Ditya Abhinivishutasva Isada Apadesya Viporja Asmriti. That means Jiva, when turned his face from Krishna to Maya, and this tendency to come in to enjoy with Maya. Maya Sukha, Bhog Vasana, these are coming. Then Maya, she also grabbed to us. Understand? Like monkey, very quick. Jump your shoulder and take your glass. You don't know when. Very quick. Once I came out from Rup Sanatan, good on the door, my glass is there. Then one monk, very easy. Jumped on my shoulder and took very nice, very nice. Maybe if that time in photographer, very nice cinema artist, how to this way. You understand?
YouTube. YouTube slow motion.
You understand? In the same way, I am saying with the Maya. Maya is very powerful. So when we turn our face from Krishna to Maya to enjoy with her, then Maya, she got. And she is very clever. She said, you cannot enjoy with me. Maya, she knows. You cannot enjoy with me. So for this Maya, her two things are there. One is called Avaran Atmika Vritti, another is called Vikshep Atmika Vritti. She has two kinds of tendency, Vritti. Avaran, then he gives very nice, beautiful cloth and cover in our body. Do you understand this? And then she also tied with the 3 ropes, Sattar Jantam, very nicely packing. Just if something is coming from person, packing, I don't know inside there, but very nice, hard cover packing. Coming in now. In the same way, Maya, she nicely packed. In all. Very nice body is giving. That is called, first that is called Avaran. That is called gross body and also subtle body, Suksma subtle. Then also tied with the 3 ropes. Not only these also, she gives also many kinds of false egos. These things. First giving this is that is bodily conception. That is called Dehatma Buddhi. I am this body. I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Completely what? Forget. This is the duty of Maya. She makes forget to us. Krishna. Imagine. And this. Then coming in this body, bodily conception has come. Then another also her concept, tendency and throw in this matter. Now we come. That is called Vikshep Atmika Vritti. What did he say? Vikshep means to throw. To throw in this matter. Now we are completely forget. So here Mahaprabhu told. Bhayam Ditya Abhinivisadasvat. Now fear coming. Where will go? Isado Petusa Viporju Asmriti and completely what is called averse our phrase from Krishna to Maya. And Asmriti, that means we complete our
Forgetfulness.
Forgetfulness.
Makes us forget.
And Tanmat, but now question is coming. How will again attain to Lord? Now, Bhakti kaise hum Guru Devata Atma, Tanmaya to Buddha, Avajittam. Though just Buddha means intelligent person. And there is a sober person. Completely surrender to the feet of Guru and Krishna and servicing Gurudev. Then Mayadevi she will also release from her jail. And slowly we will remember our what is called previous what is called consciousness. Original consciousness. So here saying this way. साधु शास्त्र के बाद यदि कृष्ण मुख है तभी से जीव माया ताहार इच्छा है. By the cause of this mercy of sadhu, guru, shastra, then we will perform bhajan and sadhana, and then we will be free from maya. But this is very easy to say, but not so easy, na? And Devi Jesa Gunamai Mama Maya Duratte Mame Veja Prabhaddante Maya Metam Tarantite. And Krishna says, my Devi Maya, she is very powerful. Devi Maya Balat Kare. Narottam Das Thakur, very humble, he also sang this thing. Ananke Janamir Pare Lai Chilo Brajapuri Kripadori Galai Bandhiya. Devi Maya Balat Kare, Sei Dori Khasai Yatare Bhava Kupe Puno Dil Kadariya. Prem Bhakti Chandrika. Narottam Das Thakur is this way. Devi Maya, Krishna's Maya is very powerful. Devi Maya Balatkar by force. Devi Maya Balatkare Sei Dari Kasai Atare Bhava Kupe Dil Padari. Narottam Das Thakur humbly say, After a long time, now we have come in the Vrindavan. Eh? But Mayadevi is very powerful. Eh? Now Mayadevi also puts down in this material world. So now he's saying this. But Sadhu Shastra Kripa Yadi Krishnan Mukhai, obviously Jeev Maya Nistat Tahari Chara. When you receive the mercy of Sadhu and Shastra. Actually, in our bhajan sadhana, we need three things. What I am saying these things. And first need what things? And Shastra. Shastra means books. And Shastra. They need sadhu or guru. Or third need one ashram, temple. And you understand? Because if you want to study or to know your spiritual life, but if you know about spiritual life, need three things. Then first you have to need one spiritual master who properly then क्या बोलते हैं guide to you. Which direction you will go? You don't know. You don't know which direction. You are walking in the forest. You don't know where you are going. Very dense forest. Dark and dense forest. But after that dark and dense forest, maybe one mountain, like Himalaya. Very big Himalaya. Then maybe you cross the Himalaya. Then when you coming down, then you see ocean. Understand? Big waves are coming and touching the shore. Not only this, also making the, what is called? Whirlpool. Something big storm. You don't know which way will go. Which direction will go, you don't know. You cannot cross the ocean. Ananta Jalarasi, burst of water. Where will go? And big waves up and down. You understand this thing? Where direction? Where will go? Not only this, and the mountains sometimes also volcano coming, you know? Have you been there? Sicily? Up where is Sicily? Who went to Sicily? You didn't go? Volcano coming. Understand? Which way would go? That's I told. Maybe you can walk in the forest. Maybe you cross the mountain. But after mountain, what is that? Ocean. Then where will go? You don't know. So that means Ishvara. And Guru, that means spiritual master. He will give the perfect direction to you, guide to you, which way you will go. Which will go? Left side, right side? Where will go? If you go right side, maybe big volcano. Understand? What is called? वो आते हैं क्या बोलते हैं? Lava. Lava. And all the rock completely what? Melted. So we cannot go this side. Another side. What is that? Maybe forest or some
Dangerous animals.
Animals are there. Tiger, lion, many fairy species. Or maybe ghost, jaksha, raksha, bhoot, pisach. Many things also. Both understand? Ghost. So which direction will go? Maybe python. Understand python?
Yeah.
So which direction? So that means sadhu shastra. So just I also explain need. First need is what? One. Sadguru. who gives the perfect instruction to you, which way you go. These things. Then another also Shastra. Shastra means scriptures. Scriptures is like our law book. Anushasan Shastra. Anushasan. Anushasan means give the instruction. These are things we do this. Our third need what? One place, ashrama, where everybody can sit together and discuss about Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. This is very important. Because conditioned soul, when they are staying alone, then automatically Gita Sansar will come. One day I told the story of Gita Sansar. Understand? One brahmachari thinking, I will read Bhagavad Gita alone. So he was staying alone and reading Bhagavad Gita. And then some mouse came, mice, and cut his Gita. Then his neighbor told to take one cat. Then after a few months, many cats come. You have to feed the cat milk. You have cat here. Giving milk or not?
Yes.
Where did you get the milk?
From a cow. From a cow.
You have a cow.
I want a cow, yeah. But one time you told us to have one cow. One time you said for us to have one cow.
Pardon?
One time you said you get one big place in Brazil and have one cow.
You remember everything.
But
Good.
no cats. No cat. Only cow.
Cow. Then after a few years, many cows and also calves come. But who will take care? It's difficult to alone milking the cows, taking care. Then Mr. Gupta told, don't worry, I will solve all your problems. I told this Katha there. Understand? Then okay, what is your problem? I have many cows, many calves, cats, dogs. Don't worry. Kali Yuga ashram will be also this. Srimad Bhagavatam will Kali Yuga, and when Kali is coming, then all ashrams will as like and grihastha. Understand? Big. And ashram should be a renounced person. And Vairagi ashram. Not a grihastha ashram. Understand?
I didn't know that.
You don't know? Ashram should be renounced. No need too much. No need cat, no need cow, no need dog, no need cow. Because if you take, you have to give attention. And automatically attachment will come. Understand? And cats, dogs, they are very, what is called?
Cute.
Cute.
Sweet.
Yeah, this is true. When you sleep, that comes. And you also grab your chest and you also licking your mouth. I said, this is true or not? And automatically compassion will come. And you are a human being. Automatically compassion will come. And then cat also kissing your mouth, you are looking at mouth. And then in your life, when we are about to die, then you go, this cat has come and kissing my mouth. You are in, then next life you will become cat. 100% guarantee. I said, this, I am not saying this is Bharat Maharaj story or not. We are not Bharat Maharaj. Bharat Maharaj attained which stage? Bhavodasha. Even we have no Shraddha. Our Bharat Maharaj attained Bhavodasha. Also attached, attached with the Baby dear. Then his 3 lives completely were spoiled. Huh? Okay, not coming. I am not getting too much. So, Brahmachari. Then Mr. Gupta told, I solve your all problems because here the board is ready. And without taking any what you call fees. No tax. And free solution. Understand? I will give very nice suggestion to you. Mr. Gupta and company. Limited company. Mr. Gupta Solution Limited Company. And tax free. All taxes. No need to give any tax free. Good or not? I will solve all your problems. Come. It's very nice, good. So Brahmachari, he told, okay, good. Okay, I have many cats, dogs, cows, calves. So I cannot maintain what to do. This is very easy. What? Don't do it. I have 5 daughters. Understand? I have 5 daughters. Take one. And no need to marry, she will stay. Because the marriage ceremony, marriage ceremony, Indian marriage ceremony, you have spent a lot of money. Indian marriage ceremony means big feast. And big also, what is called dowry.
Dowry.
Okay, don't worry. No need to marry ceremony, no need to call Brahmana. No need to call Brahman Maharaj. No need marriage ceremony, no need fire sacrifice. Just take my wife, stay with you. Just stay as like your wife and husband. Good. Solve problem, solve or not? See, sir, and help you. Help your reading Bhagavad Gita. Very nice. And you read Bhagavad Gita, she will solve all your problems. Actually coming is opposite way. Then after a few years, 3, 4, 5 children come. Then everything, what to do, how to maintain family. Then quarreling to each other. And household life means is what this is quarreling. What the quarreling? This is your fault. She says this is your fault.
Both ways.
Saying or not? Husband says this is your fault. And wife says this is your fault. But we will give judgment. Then stick is saying I will give judgment. You stick, understand?
Yes.
Both are taking okay. Stick is saying I will give the judgment. What is that? Fighting each other. In the meantime, Gurudev is saying, oh, many years passed, my disciple, he left my ashram. Must be he is reading Bhagavad Gita. Must be he is reading Bhagavad Gita. Because disciple told Gurudev, if I stay in ashram, I cannot read one sloka of Bhagavad Gita. So it is better I have to stay
In the forest.
Alone in forest. Must be my disciple is reading Bhagavad Gita. And Gurudev came just same time. 2 sticks are giving the judgment. You understand? Then the disciple recorded, oh, Gurudev has come. Gurudev, what is this? Gurudev, this is your land, big land. 200 hectares. Big land. And these cows, yours, Gurudev, everything. Dogs, cats, and calves,
Cows,
cows,
babies.
babies, everything. This is your daughter-in-law. This is your grandson. everything else. And Gita, Gurudev, 20 years, I did not open Gita. I did not collect any slok from Gita, but Gita is collecting all the dust. Understand? And if you not read Bhagavad Gita every day, then all dust is there. Collecting dust or not. Do you understand? If you read any book, then if that you can clean the dust. Or if you not just put in your arm, then dust will come. So that means I didn't read one Bhagavad Gita. Yes. So this is called, all this is called the Gita Sansar. Gita. So for this Tulsi Das of Chaitanya, आया थे भजन कर, क्या बोलते हैं, आया थे भजन हरि भजन के लिए ओटने लगे कपास. तुलसीदास. Actually, all we have come to practice devotion service to Lord. But now what we are doing? We are collecting all the unwanted things. This is true or not? All we are collecting the unwanted things, nothing. And useless. So saying, आया थे हरि भजन के लिए ओटने लगे कपास. If you take the one, what is called? The cotton, and from the blanket, then one day no blanket, cotton blanket, and you take one little. That means is what? All we have come here to bhajan and sadhana to Krishna. But now we are collecting all the unwanted things. So for this Shastra says, no, do bhajan and sadhana. Chant holy name, do bhajan and sadhana. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So why I'm saying, because need one ashram. Ashram means temple. Where all we stay together and discuss Hari Katha. But Rup Sanatan, they did not build any temple. Just they were staying one night and under one tree. Egek Virkirtali, Egek Ratri Yavan. But we cannot do this also. And one night if you stay in Vrindavan without mosquitoes net, the next day you will be Golok Vrindavan. Finish or no? Then all mosquitoes sucking all your glands. Then you direct go. This is it. But anyhow, just I also explain this way. And if you want to practice spiritual things, you need three things. Shastra, Sadhu Guru, and one place, ashram. And so now, just I have to come in this. And here also, Sadhu Guru Atmarve Apunaki Janai. माया मुग्ध जीवेर नहीं कृष्ण स्मृति ज्ञान जीवेर कृपाई कोइल कृष्ण वेदादि पुराण साधु गुरु आत्म रूपे अपनारे जाना कृष्ण मोर प्रभु तरता जीवेर है ज्ञान वेद शास्त्र कई संबंध अभिधेय प्रयोजन कृष्ण प्राप्य संबंध भक्ति प्राप्यर साधन अभिधेय नाम भक्ति प्रेम प्रयोजन Pushartha ceremony, Prem Mahadhan, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Very nicely in sequence explained. Samandha, Avidya and Prajanta. Samandha means the knowledge of relationship. And that is called Krishna Samandha. Or Avidya, practice devotion service to Lord. That is called Bhakti. Or Prajan. Prajan means ultimate goal. Ultimate goal. What is your ultimate goal? Krishna Prem. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. That's called Chaturvarga. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. So this is not our ultimate goal. Our ultimate goal, that is called the Prem Purushartha. But different Prem, also different stages. What Prem do you want? Vaikuntha Prem, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, Golok. Then Vrindavan. In Vrindavan also many stages also there. Understand? Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya. In Golokpura Vrindavan. Even in Madhurya, conjugal mood is also there. One is called Samandhatmika, another is called Kamatmika. Samandha, the knowledge of religion, they also make friends, they also make relationship with Krishna. Samandhatmika bhakti there. Understand? As like Nanda, Jasoda, Subodh, Siddham. Understand? They have also relationship with Krishna. That is called Samandha Atmika Bhakti. Or another is called Kamatmika Bhakti. They have love and affection with Krishna, with their transcendental lust. That is called Kamatmika. And Kamatmika Bhakti also again two types. What is called? Tat Bhavichit Atmika. Or another is called Sambhog Ichamai Atmika. Then Tat Bhavichit, the same mood of Srimati Radhikas. They are one pointed with Srimati Radhika. And their mind never, what is called, diverse. One pointed with Srimati Radhika. And Tat Bhava and Ichatmika. And they have no any independence. Bhav, nothing. Tattva Bhav. Same. Tattva Bhav. How to solve Srimati Radhika. One point. That is actual. That is called the mode of Manjari Bhav. Actually that mode, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indiscriminately distributed. Anarpita Charing Chirad Karunya. This way. Anarpita Charing Chirad Karunya Avatirna Karu Samarpetu Unnatu Jala Samsut Isyam Harihi Purasandra Tilkada Sandip Pada Hidaya Kandare Spuratubha Sajanandana Guru KG2. Very nice statement. Or another Sambhog Ichhaman. That is the mood of Lalita Vishakha. What is that? That sometimes Lalita Vishakha, they also meet with Krishna and independently, Satantra. But Manjaris, they never independently meet with Krishna. Manjari always has staying with Srimati Radhika as like body and shadow. And where is your body and shadow also are going on. And you cannot separate from your body and shadow. And when you are walking, your shadow also shadow. In the same way, in Golok Vrindavan, Srimati Radhikas, these types of sakhis. And Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhis. They are called actual Manjari. And Bhavulla Sagati in their heart. Many things are so explained this way. And these types of mood, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indiscriminately distributed. He did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. Jare dekhe tare dayan prema vidaya. And what you are looking and giving, take this. Understand? You don't want, but if you don't take, why not? Take this. Take this. Vairagya bhakti rasam prajatri apayanamam anabhivs amnam kripam buddhija paradagaduke sanatanastam prabhumasrayam. Raghunath Das Goswami Vilapa. This book very nice. They have Sanatana Goswami Pad. Is merciful with me. He's giving Swargman. I don't want to take Vairagya Bhakti. Vairagya means two meanings. Vairagya Bhakti. Yeah, Bhakti is completely renounced from all kinds of material things. One is called Sakami Bhakti, and is called Niskami Bhakti. Niskam. Sakami Bhakta, who is called Sakami Bhakta? Any Bhakta's name? I told. क्या कौन है? ध्रुवा महाराज. सब भूल जाते तो कैसे बोले? Dhruva, he also performed bhajan sadhana to Krishna, Lord. And Lord gave him darshan also. But Dhruva is called Sakami Bhakta. Lord gave him darshan. But which Narayan gave him darshan to him? Which Narayan? You know? That is Bhaktivinoda Thakur said. That is called Krishni Garbha Narayan. Remember? In Vaikuntha, many Narayan Tattva is there also. Even Krishna also, Narayan, one name is also Krishna. He has also 4 hands. That's it. There are many names in there also. Upendra, many names in there. But Dhruva, he got darshan, Narayan, that Narayan name is called Krishna Garbha Narayan. That's Krishna Garbha Narayan. And Lord Narayan told Dhruva, he asked him very much. In Dhruva, what is it? Then I have come here just wondering for the broken piece of glass. Useless. But you gave darshan to me. You lotus feet, very rare to take darshan for a Brahma Sivanara. Munindra Bhujjam. Deva Munindra Bhujjam. And you lotus feet is very rare to take darshan. Deva Munindra. Gyanendra, Munindra, Dhanendra, Yogendra. They are performing hard austerities. How to take darshan to Lord Lotus feet. Sometimes not, sometimes manifesting the heart. When Krishna Deva Bhagavantam Bande, Krishna Deva Bhagavantam Bande, Manmanasa Madhukara Marpaya Nijapara Pankajam Karande, Krishna Deva Bhagavantam Bande, Krishna Deva Bhagavantam Bande, Jadvapi Samadhiswa Vidirapi Pashati Nandavana Karamati Samadhiswa Vidirapi Pashati Nandavana Karamati Vidami Chami Samata Vachuta Dadapi Vipanodati Krishna Deva Bhagavantam composed this version. Deva Bhagavantam Bhagavantam. Jadvapi Samadhi Vidhi Rupa, means Brahma, exalted devotee of Lord. In his trance, sometimes Lord manifested his effulgent toenails, sometimes not. Jadvapi Samadhi Vidhi Rupi Natava Nakhagra Marichi. Marichi means the rays of your toenails. Understand? आपके नख चंद्रमा की किरण किरण चंद्र the rays of your toenails, the moon of your toenails, आपकी चरण कमल की नख चंद्रमा की जो छटा वो भी कभी कभी प्रकाशित है, कभी नहीं होते.
One particle of the effulgence of the lotus feet of the Lord.
So now coming in this way, so Dhruva he told, Deva Munindra Gujjam. This is very, very rare to take darshan in lotus feet. Now we are giving darshan to me. I am unqualified. So Baram na jache, don't push me to ask any benediction. But Lord told no. Okami, what is sloka? Okami, just forget the sloka. And Okami one, you know the sloka. Bhagavatam, काम लगी कृष्ण भजी कृष्ण विषय काम छड़ी होय कृष्ण विष्णु और ये श्लोक भागवतम अकामी व सर्वकामी मोक्षकामी उदारधि तीव्रेण भक्ति योजन दिस श्लोक है अकामी व सर्वकामी मोक्षकामी उदारधि तीव्रेण भक्ति योगेन दिस श्लोक है लोग याद करते भी नहीं अरे थोड़ा स्मरण तो रिमेम्बर एंड रिमेम्बर एंड अकामी सर्वकामी मोक्षकामी उदार दियो श्लोक मिला है एक तो श्लोक याद ही नहीं करते और ये कहाँ याद कराओगे है अकामी सर्वकामी तीव्रेण
भक्ति योगेन यजेत पुरुषं परम्
अकामी सर्वकामी मोक्षकामी उदार तीव्रेण भक्ति योगेन जयते पुरुष परम so this काम लगी कृष्ण भजे पाए कृष्ण रसे काम छाड़ी लोग होय कृष्ण दास even you do bhajan sadhana to Krishna for your material desires. But when you receive the Krishna bhakti or take darshan to it, then automatically all your material desire will be dispelled from your heart. This is the process. So saying this, Okami, Sarvakami, Mokshakami, Udara Dija. Tibreno Bhakti Yogena, Jajati Purusha. This is the process. Kam, so far the Chaitanya Bengali verse will say, Kam lagi Krishna bhaji, pai Krishna ras. Kam taji, Majid Krishna ras. And even your desire will come to enjoy the material things. Understand? Very nice story, Srimad Bhagavatam. What is his name? Rishabdev. Rishabdev Pakhan. Father's name? Aishita. What is the name of Kapildev father's name?
Kapila Dev. Devahuti and
Kardam Rishi.
Oh yeah.
Kardam Rishi. Kardam Rishi, he performed hard austerities to Lord Vishnu. And Lord Vishnu appeared. Then he asked in his benediction. Then Kardam Rishi, he asked, give one wife. And gave me a nice sweet wife. And you want or not? Okay. Be careful. Okay? Okay. Then Lord Vishnu's heart melted and tears rolling down. Understand? The tears rolling down. For this regard, that they once want manifest. That is called Bindu Sarovar. Bindu Sarovar. And that Lord's name is called also Bindu Madhav. If you go in there, also there is Bindu Sarovar and Bindu Madhav. Bindu means tears, drop of tears. And also manifest very nice, beautiful pond. For this regard, that place is called Bindu Sarovar. And that Lord is also in there, name is called Bindu Madhav. So now, why? Because Lord is thinking, oh, he worshipped me and performed hard austerities. But he asked me material things, wife, wealth, money, these things. But Lord, he told, if you take darshan to me, I have to fulfill your desires. This is my darshan to Amar darshan. if you do bhajan sadhan to Lord with your any material desire, Lord will first fulfill all your material desires. This is 100%. Eh? Yeah. So for the काम लगी कृष्ण भजे, पाए कृष्ण भजे. So Dhruva Maharaj, he also just like Kardam Rishi. Pronunciation ठीक नहीं बोलते. कामरा के बोलते कामरा. Kardam Rishi. So called this is okay. I will give one very nice wife. That is called. What is his name? Devahuti. Then in the womb of Devahuti also coming who? Lord Kapil Dev, Bhagavan Kapil Dev. Arjun Bhagavad Putra. That means Kardam and what is his name? Devahuti. God and incarnation of Lord, that you call. You read Srimad Bhagavatam. Very nice, beautiful description. How Devahuti came manifest and married with Kardam Rishi. You read the Bhagavatam? Third kind, very nice, beautiful description. Heart will be melted. Very nice, beautiful description. So why am saying this? So Dhruva Maharaj is the same. The काम लगी कृष्ण भजे पाए कृष्ण रसे. Because Dhruva Maharaj, he performed hard austerity and in his desire how to get the kingdom. Because he wanted sit on the lap of his father. That means he wants. He wants
Sit on the throne.
Sit on the throne. Man. He wants this material. So Lord also fulfill his desires. So for the काम लगी कृष्ण भजे पाए कृष्ण रस. But if you do bhajan and sadhana, then when you receive Krishna ras, then automatically give up the material desires. But this types of bhakti is called also called sakami bhakti. So Dhruva's bhakti is called sakam bhakti or sakami bhakti. This. क्या बोला था उसने?
Sakam Bhakta or Nishkam?
Niskam bhakta. Give up all kinds of material desires. Only how to give pleasure to Krishna. As like Mahaprabhu told, Nadhanam Najanam Sundarim Kavitang Va Jagadisha Kamai Mamo Janma Janmani Sri Bhavata Bhakti Ahituki Bhakti. Nadhanam Najanam Sundarim Kavitang Va Jagadisha Kamai. Ye Jagadisha Krishna. No, don't want any matter. Janma Janma, birth after birth, life after life. Just give me unalloyed devotion service to lotus feet. And unalloyed devotion service to lotus feet. And Dhana Jana Yar Kavita Sundari. And Dhana Jana Yar Kavita Sundari. Balibana Deha Sukha Kari. Janme Janme Dao Ohe Gaura Hari Ahitu Ki Bhakti Charane Tama. Dhana Jana are Kavita Sundari. I don't want any matter. Name, fame, reputation. But you don't want, automatically will come. Because one who practice Suddha Bhakti, they automatically, four things automatically chasing behind you. What is that? Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Dharma, Artha, Kama. This is the nature. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Dharma means religion, Artha means economical development. Dharma, Artha, Kama, all kinds of your facilities you can get. This is the nature. Dharma, Artha, Kama. And Moksha means liberation. Mukti Devi. Bhakti Stai Srita Bhavanjali Saat Daivar Kisumurti Mukti Sang Muktanjali Sevati Asman. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, Samaya, Pratiksha. and they will waiting for you. This is the nature. This is the nature of bhakti. If you practice bhakti, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, mukti, liberation, bhakti rasamrita sindhu, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad explained at the queens, the queen. When queen walks, they automatically behind her maid servant sitting there. Understand? Without asking. All they are eager to serve to her. Taking fan, taking chamor, taking water, pot, and all they also are sitting behind. Jatha chidikavat, and all they also say. In the same way, while the Bhakti Maharani, Bhakti Devi, she is as like queen. Our dharma, artha, kama, moksha, they are called, they are maid servants, sevika. This is the nature. When queen goes and all her dasya, dasya means maid servant, chasing, and all they are hankering, asking how to serve, how to serve. So dharma, artha, kama, moksha, that is called the maid servant of Bhakti Devi. So saying the word dharma, what is called slok? I did say Bhakti Strai Sratangiri. Then dharma, artha, kama, moksha, samaya pratiksha. Please, please, give me chance to serve you. Then Bhakti, no need. But no, please. Then okay, when I need, okay, here are many devotees, build one temple. Then Sita Kamala, then Sita Kamala, they built big temple. Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, Giriraj, Govardhan, with big temple. Many cows, but don't make them Gita Samsara. Okay, cows is okay, no? Cats and dog, no. Cow is okay. Understand? Go seva good. If you serve the cows, next life you will become Brahmana. Understand? If you want to become next life Brahmana, you have to serve cows. Go seva. Understand? Krishna, he served cows. For the next life, Krishna, he becomes what? Brahman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu himself told. Once one Sarvagna. Sarvagna, understand? Astrologer, who knows past, present, future. Then he was looking everybody's, what is called? Palms and everything. Then he saying this thing and meditate. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, small baby, maybe 5 or 6 years old. Baby Nimai. He asked the Brahman, that is Sarvagna. Sarvagna, understand? Who knows past, present, future. Mahaprabhu asked, okay, tell me one thing. Tell me my past life, according to my karma. What karma I did? For this regard, I born in Brahman family. Then Sarvagna, astrologer, he told, okay, I tell you. Then he meditated. When he meditated, he saw Nimai manifest many forms. Sometimes Matsya. Matsya means fish avatar, Matsya avatar, Kurma avatar, Nishinga avatar, Varaha avatar. Sometimes Ram, Gandhi, Krishna, and something, millions unique forms. And million Brahmanda. Then Sarvagna, his head started to spin. Who is he? And he could not give that decision. But who is this boy? What is his previous karma? actual Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan. Bhagavan has any karma? And Janma karma chume dibba. And Lord, all his activities, that is called transcendent. So for this regard, that Sarvagam, he could not give decision. What is his previous life? Because he could not give his previous life. Who is he? And he is Krishna, Ram, Nisima, Kulki, Baraha, Matsya, Kuruma. Who is he? Because Lord is one. But he manifested many forms. And many Buddhas. So he could not completely stop. So much sweat coming. Oh God, who is he? Then baby Krishna, baby Nimai, he told his Sarvabhauma, listen, I tell you. I listen, in previous life I was cowherd boy. In this way, actual Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Nimai, he established, I am Krishna. I am origin Krishna. Now appearing in the form of Sachandana Gaurvari, just some special reason took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. Antar Krishna. But Mahaprabhu told, Ari Sarvagam, listen. Previous life, first life, I was cowherd boy. And I served the cows and Goseva. For this regard, now I born in Brahman family. And understand? It's a Nija Tattva Prabhu Janarita. And Chaitanya Bhagavad, very nice, beautiful this Leela. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indirectly he explained, I am Krishna and Prachanna Avatar, hidden incarnation, Prachanna Avatar. But others, this is what? If you serve the cows, then 100%. Next life you will become Brahman. You will take birth in Brahman. Now you are which family? Gauriya family. Gaura Parivar. You are the member of Gaura Parivar. Family of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is true. Next life you will become the family of Krishna. Krishna Parivar. And if you serve Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then next life you will come in Vrindavan. This is true. Yes. Good. Thank you. So you are Arati, no? Take Prasad, then prepare for next program.
Maharaj, I have a question. You said about Shastra, Sadhu, or Guru, and Ashram. But then Sadhu, he will guide, or Guru, he will guide, and he will give guidance. But like when Indra and Virochan went to Lord Brahma, he spoke knowledge, and then he allowed them to understand, and then according to their understanding, Virochan went happily with his own philosophy, but Brahma not saying anything. He allowed him to go, and Indra came back, and he was continuously testing him. But how is sometimes his guidance is not direct, is not the guidance.
No. Here is Guru Sadhu. Guru gives this in there. Brahma is acting role of Guru. Indra Virochan came to learn from then Brahmaji. Brahmaji, what did he say? If you know to him, then you will become immortal. Because they want to become immortal, Amar. Because they know one who become one immortal, he can enjoy everything. As Veda says. So for this regard, Indra and Virochan came. But Brahmaji told, okay, I will give to you instruction. First to serve 25 years. That Parthigoji is also translated for Gurudev lecture. Many times you give class also simply for that. 25 years, both they served to Brahmaji. Then Brahmaji told, Jad Gatvam, one who knows him, he will become immortal. Who ordinary? There one who knows about Atma. But what is the meaning of Atma? There are many meanings. Atma means mind, Atma means body, Atma. There are many meanings. But Virochan, his mood is your Asura Sabha. He thinks Atma means this body. then one who knows about this body, and then he can enjoy. And another thing, his guru, Virochan Guru, who is his guru? Sukracharya. Guru is not bona fide, Sukracharya. For this regard, Virochan who returned back from Brahmaloka, learning this lesson from Brahmaji, but Sukracharya did not tell what is the meaning of this. Your Guru, Brahmaji, what did he say then? His Guru also same. Yeah? You understand? Both are same qualities. Good. Sukracharya and Virochan. Eh? Guru blind and also disciple blind. Andha jatanda upanyamana stepi santra urudamni batta. Nate vidu sattam gade gate vishnu durasaje vairartamanina. Andha jatanda upaniyamana stepi santra urudamni batta. Sukracharya and Virochan, both are regarded to be nonsense. Understand? And Guru also blind and disciple also blind. So for this Sukracharya did not convince to him what is the perfect meaning of Atma. But Indra coming back, then his Guru, who is Guru Indra? Brihaspati. Understand? Brihaspati. Brihaspati told, hey Indra, tell to me, what did you learn from Brahma? The Atma. One who knows about Atma, he will become immortal. जो आत्मा के जान लेते हैं वो अमर बन जाता है. Then Brihaspati explained what is the meaning of Atma. Atma means, first Atma means this body is called Atma. There are many synonyms. Just one slokas of Srimad Bhagavatam, Sarva Bhattarja he recited. Atma Ramascha Muna Nirganto Hari Urukrama. And Sarva Bhattarja he gave how many meanings? One word and 9 meanings he gave. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave one word, 18th meanings. And same slokas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave 64 meanings in front of Sanatana Goswami. So here now coming in this way, just I explain to you. And then Brihaspati told, what do you understand about Atma? जो आत्मा के जान लेते हैं अमर बन जाते हैं. One who knows about Atma, he will become immortal. But what is the meaning of Atma? This body is Atma. If body is Atma, so first to tell you what is the meaning, what is the definition of Atma? Atma meaning Atma is never transferred. आत्मा के विकार नहीं होते. आत्मा never transfer. But your body is transferable now. One was very small baby. Now you are growing to one. Your body is changing or not? But you don't know when change. Very critical change. Understand? So we are okay, but still Indra cannot understand. Then Brihaspati told, okay, you take bath in the water. What you are looking? Look, you are looking your shadow. Understand? Just give an example. When you are big bear, Chaturmasya. White bear. Then big bear. Then you look your shadow. Big bear in water. Then after Chaturmasya finished, very difficult to recognize. This is true. So in the same way, or changing or not? So Brihaspati, he guides to Indra. Brahmaji gave to this finish. But what is the perfect meaning? Who will tell to us? Then what is the perfect meaning of the Shastra? Do you understand? So Brihaspati explained, no, this body is not Atma. Because Atma, that is called Abhikari. Atma never transferable. Atma is अविकारी, है आत्मा के विकार नहीं होते, विकार मीन्स नॉट ट्रांसफरेबल, है आत्मा। बट दिस बॉडी इज व्हाट changeable, and one day skinny, then one day very fat, then after few years then we become very skinny, and then you have this picture, yeah, Simon book, how baby change, taking birth of womb of mother, then growing up, then growing up, I am then old, taking the stick, then you have to see, saw this picture or not?
Yes.
So that means his body changing. But Atma, this is what? Because the Atma is abhikari. And so actual Brihaspati is the real Guru. He guides to his disciple, Indra. They don't know, you did not understand the perfect meaning of Atma. Again will go, place of Brahmaji. Then again 25 years Brahmaji. But Virochan he did not come. Why? Because his Guru also blind. Both blind. And one blind person cannot lead to another blind person. Simple. Do you understand? Shukracharya also blind and his disciple also blind. For this regard, Prahlad Maharaj, Nata vidu sattan gatehi Vishnu, durasa jo bahirartha manina. Andha jatanda upanyamanas tevisantra urdamni baddha. Yeah? Understand it? So how possible this thing? Eh? Sense gratification person cannot the lead and his disciple. Maybe he will lead his disciple how to more and more enjoying the sense gratification. Actually, this is the thing. This is our reason. What this is written? That Guru is perfect or not, to be nonsense Guru, who has no Shastra knowledge, and no also any Tattva Siddhanta. So how possible he will to dispel all the doubts from his heart, from the heart of his disciple? This is the process. Actual friend who just to take Diksha Guru from this Guru, stupid nonsense. Nothing. Stupid nonsense Guru. And that mantra also useless also. What this Shastra is saying, you have to take Diksha mantra from Sadguru. First this Upanishad, what did you say? I am saying these slokas. Acharvano Purusho Vedaha. Acharvano Purusho Vedaha. One who practices. Then he realizes. Veda means he to know about him. And who does not practice, who has no feeling, no realization. So how possible just taking Diksha mantra? Okay. No. You have to receive Diksha mantra from bona fide, genuine, who has realization. Who has no realization, if you receive Diksha mantra, that Diksha mantra is useless also. There is no any potency there. Actually, in this mantra, no, क्या बोलते हैं? Potency, no potency. Same mantra you are chanting. Understand? One disciple chanting same mantra. You are chanting also the Gopal mantra, and the disciple also chanting Gopal mantra. But that mantra is chanting, but no potency. Understand these things. But have to receive Nam Diksha from self-realization person. That is also. So how do you know? Is Sadguru or not? You don't know. This is true. But you can see his external activities. He chanting holy names or not, he is doing bhajan and sadhana. This is true. You are blind. You don't know. He is Sadguru or Sadguru. But external activity you can see or not. He is doing bhajan and sadhana, he is chanting holy names or not. not eating or sleeping, watching TV. No, Sadguru means. So for this regard, Vedas explain, Acharya Vano Purusha Veda. Sloka means these slokas. You read or not? Gaudiya Kantha, read. First Gurudev. Acharya Vano Purusha Veda. Acharvan Purush. He knows about Apani Achari Jivir Jikan. If Guru not doing bhajan and sadhana, no chanting holy names, even Guru has no knowledge of the scriptures, how he will dispel all the doubts, anarthas from the heart of his disciple? So for this, so not the Vidu Sattam, Gating Vishnu, Durasa Jiv, Vairartha Manina, Andha Jatanda Upanyamana, Devi Santra, Urdam Nivatha. So Sukracharya this Guru, blind Guru, or blind disciple. Are here Indra and Virochan. Indra and Brihaspati. Brihaspati is Sadguru, he is leads to him. No, you may not understand. What is the real meaning of Atma? Just I told. Again you will go. They will look, they go. 3 times. What is it called? Brihaspati. Pushing. No, you have to go, learn. These things. What is the real meaning of Atma? There are so many meanings of Atma. So this is. So for this regard, need these things. Sadguru, he will give the perfect direction to us.
Maharaj, you also said this Narottam Thakur saying, Dagamaya Bhagat Kore Kasai Keshadhari. But then he's saying sometimes Guru he also doing like this, taking and pulling back. But sometimes he's not doing. How is he's making this judgment?
Guru, this thing he did. Guru, when he realized, if I chastised my disciple, he can tolerate.
Okay.
Understand?
Then he
Then, you know, the what is called, which is making the iron, what is called?
Oh yeah.
But
Hammer.
what is it?
Blacksmith.
Iron smith, you know?
Yeah.
Blacksmith.
Blacksmith.
What is called? Blacksmith. Blacksmith. Blacksmith, he put the iron in the fire and taking one very heavy hammer. He knows how much he will be humming. Right? He knows. And otherwise that iron will be broke. He cannot make the proper things. Understand? He knows how much heat coming. He knows. And he knows this. Then taking the and just not the baby. He knows. And he how much? 3 times, 5 times, 100 times. He knows. In the same way, Sadguru, he knows. If I chastise my disciple, he will tolerate or not. Other too much chastise, then Ram will never come back. Oh, this is not Sadguru. Understand? Guru, for this regard, Guru, this is the symptoms of Guru. Sometimes chastisement, sometimes giving love and affection. Sometimes what is using to you very nice, beautiful, flattering words. Oh, you are very nice. Actually, this is true need also, these things. Otherwise, always, hey, you stupid nonsense, rascal. Actually, Sadguru is made this. Giving love and affection, and sometimes chastisement. If not chastisement, people, oh, Guru is saying this is true, this is true. No. Yes, stupid nonsense, rascal. I love a Tirubikram Goswami Maharaj. Understand? He knows, so you have to balance. Guru is the same way. Guru gives love and affection and also chastisement. And for this regard, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained, if Guru chastises to you, you think actually you are receiving mercy from him. Guruji chastised, so you think you are receiving mercy. and always glorify to you. That means is what? Maybe Gurus had some sense gratification. Oh, this disciple has a lot of money. How to take food? Never chastise. That means this is not good. Guru chastised. Understand? But always not chastised. He knows. Because Guru is as like, just I told, as like blacksmith, goldsmith. These things. Follow in the Good Viman.
Oh, Maharaj.
Arita Prasad. 2 o'clock.
Okay.
What is your?
You were speaking about Sambandhamika, Tap Tap Bhavichamai, Sambhogichamai, and I'm just thinking, when does that manifest? Is that in a state? When is that? Does that develop into Tap Tap Bhavichamai, or is it your stay Bhav from the stage of Bhav? How does that happen in Vastu Siddhi? You already have that mood of Tap Tap Bhavichamai?
No. This is actually coming in the stage of Premodasha. First Sadhan Dasha. 3 stages of our bhakti. Sadhan bhakti, bhav bhakti, prema bhakti. Just I explained you, clarify to you. Shraddha to asakti, that is called sadhan bhakti. Sadhan bhakti, 2 things. How to clean all the anarthas from your heart. This is the first. Second, how always your desire will come, how to attain on the spiritual mood of Vijayas. This is called sadhana bhakti. Then, Kriti Saddha Bhavit Sargasa Sadhana Vida Nitya Siddhasya Bhavasya Prakattam Hridi Sadha. This is sadhana bhakti. Sadhana bhakti, 2 functions. One is how to clean anarthas, unwanted, washing machine. And another, how to attain the spiritual mood of Vijaya. This is handwriting. And Bhav Bhakti, Suddha Sattva, Visayatma, Prema, Sujjam Sambhavako, Ruchi Vichitta Samashana, Kridasu Bhavo, Uchyate. Actually, this Bhav is not by the sadhana. Bhav Bhakti completely, absolutely depends on the mercy of Guru and Krishna. Bhav is not coming, your sadhana. That is, actually you have, that will manifest by this mercy of Guru and Krishna. I am not saying that you have not, you have. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Saddha Prabhu Sravanadi Siddha Chitte Karo Uday. You have that potential you have. Samrani, this book, even very nice, she also explained, and she gave very nice examples and evidence from different of our Acharya's Bani. I like this book, every time I also glorify this book. It's and this is a need. Because Gurudev, he gives so much energy Western country in preaching. And now some people, and our Gurudev disciples, they also disguise for the others' society and completely try to destroy Gurudev philosophy. And I'm little very heavy chastisement. No. Why? What Gurudev? What did Gurudev preach? Babaji Sampradaya, he Gurudev whole life, he is Guru, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, Bhakti Pragyana Kesava Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev Nand Goswami, whole life, got the Babaji's philosophy. And now our Sangha, same going to Babaji's philosophy, to be nonsense of it. But Samrani did it very nicely and scientific way. She gave all the examples step by step, and she quoted all our Acharyas' quotation. She gave all our Gaudiya Acharyas' quotation. Understand? Not our Gurudev Sangha. She gave all our Acharyas indiscriminately. She also gave all the quotation of our Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada's Acharya, those who are coming in this line. Bhakti Vallabh Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Dvaita Madhav Goswami Maharaj, and what is called Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Shilhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Pragyana Kesava Goswami Maharaj, and understand, and what is his name? Or Chaitanya, and Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, every Acharya, and he quoted. And this book is very important. You have Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem just to manifest. You have. But how to manifest? Need the mercy, kripa. So say Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Saddha Gunoy Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Karho Uday. Listen, but that will manifest when all anarthas removed from the heart. And then you will receive the mercy from Nitya Siddha Brajavasis. And that is our, you must explain this way on the platform of Sandhini. Then Sambit and Radhini will manifest. Suddha Satta Visayatma Premo Sujjang Sambhavako Ruchi Vichitta Smarsyan Krida Subhava Uchade. So that means Bhava Bhakti, that's called Kripasha. So how will to receive mercy from our previous Acharya? That means Nitya Siddha Brajavasi. Our Acharya means they are Brajavasi. Who is Brajavasi? Those who are living in Braj, that is not the Brajavasi. It was the same mood of Rup Sanatana. And first you understand who is Brajavasi. Bhakti Santa Prabhupada explained who is Brajavasi. Those who are living in Vrindavan, they are Brajavasi. They are Brajavasi, not Brajavasi. You understand? Pronunciation. Who is Brajavasi? Those are mood of Rup Sanatana. They are called perfect Brajavasi. So Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada explained, Rup Sanatana, they are the real Brajavasi. So how to attain the all the sprinkled mood of Rupa Manjari Rati Manjari? And manifested and on the platform your Sandhini, then Sambit and Radhini will come. They will realize. But that is depend on the mercy. Nitya Siddha Parikar. Parikar Kripa. Then that will manifest. So the Suddha Satta Visatma Premo Sujjanga Bhavako Ruchi Vichitta Masini Krido Subhavoch. Maybe the question, if I have manifest, no, you cannot say this. If you have seed, and keep your pocket, sprouted or not? Never. Gurudev gives example. Gurudev walking, morning walk. Okay, you brought one seed from the market and keep on your pocket. That's sprouted. But you keep in your almari, sprouted? No. You put in the water, sprouted. This is true. But not planted. You have to put in the soil. You understand? This is the process. You can say, no, I have in my heart Manjari Bhav. So Rasgulla Manjari, Jamun Manjari, Gulapi Manjari, Julepi Manjari, manifest. You cannot say this. You have. Okay, this is true. But that will manifest when you receive the mercy of Nitya Siddha Parikar. But how to receive it? Also listen Hari Katha. Without listening Hari Katha, also never manifest. There are many things also, no? Prasparanu Kathano Mithuruti Mithu Bhupaddati. Srimad Bhagavatam, Lord Krishna himself told Uddhava also this thing. Rup Sanatana, though they are eternal associated of Srimati Radhika, Rupa Manjari, Dauna Manjari or Rati. But how they discuss this Katha? They manifest. If you not listen, how possible? Sinnatang Sakatha Krishna Punna Sravana Kirtana. Harikatha Sravan. Harikatha Sravan. This is very important. And without listening Harikatha, okay, you can collect securities. What you are doing. But listen Harikatha. What the Raghunath Das was very clearly explained. Anaradha Radha Padam Bujarenu Anasrita Vinda Patavi Tat Padanka Vasambhasta Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan Kuta Shama Sindhu Rasa Savagaha. If you want to submerge in the divine ocean of divine love, the ocean of Srimati Radhika, what you do? You have to follow the three principles, not four. How many? Three. What are the three principles? You have to point it with Srimati Radhika as a Manjari Bhav. Manjari means One word. Tat tat bhave chartika bhakti. Manjari actually says. Tat tat bhava. Tat tat bhava ichhasmika. One word is matter. Or second, you have to stay in Vrindavan. Third, you have to associate with high class, exalted, Brajarashik, Sadhu and Guru, and listen Hari Katha. Then, otherwise no. If you not listen Hari Katha, Tar Bhakta Sange Sada, Rasa Lila, Prema Katha, Je Kare Se, Pai Khanasha. So, this is the process. So, Tat Tat Bhave Chevra, Manjarika. Mahaprabhu distributed, and Mahaprabhu give to you, but how to realize these things? Gurudev give you to seed, but seed have to put in the earth, then give water. Shravan, Kirtan, Jali, Kara, Secham. Just keep the put in your pocket and walk in whole England. And every day looking. Proud or not? Kamala, proud? You have pocket or not?
I don't even have a pocket.
Maybe your vanity bag. Just a joke. You receive, got the seed. This is true, 100% true. You got the Bhaktilata Bij from Gurudev. Bonafide Guru. You got bonafide Guru. You got the seed. This is true. Krishna Seva Vasana, Radha Seva Vasana. You got. But without giving water, how possible? Only I'm saying, our sum is super excellent. I cannot to criticize Bharnaji. But when you hear them, and 100% our Gurudev is what? Raman Mandir is confirmed. There is no any doubts. So why you go to other Sangha? What benefit you will get? I am not saying they are Manjari or Sakha Das Sangha, not explain. But our Sangha, Gurudev Brahman Manjari, 100%. Right? Bhaktivedanta Prabhu, Nanmani Manjari. Then Vinod Manjari. Then Nayana Manjari. So why you going others? What benefit you will get? Do you understand? Some also think, oh, I'll take Diksha. Okay, I'll take Diksha from this Guru. There's another. I am not saying they also bonafide. I respect to them. But you confirm. Which confirm? This line completely what? Confirm. Then Nanmani Manjari, then Vinod Manjari, then Nanmani Manjari. So why you go there? Others. Why? My question is coming. You confirm these things. Why going there? What benefit you will get? Maybe they are Manjari, but you not confirm. But here is what? You got the confirmed ticket. You got confirmed ticket or not?
Yes.
So why you go to change the flight? What the flight is going for? I tell you.
Waiting line.
Why you cancel this ticket? You get the ticket, maybe
Yeah, maybe.
stand by, maybe you not get, maybe, I don't know. But this ticket is what? How our Sangha Sam, they also running here? I don't understand. What is their concept? Vichar. Are you confident? You got the confirmation ticket 100%. You understand my philosophy? Sometimes you will upset. Why they are running there and there? Oh, I like this to go to there, there, there. Like you can go. I cannot stop you. And if I stop you, cannot stop. But I can say. Do you understand? And I am not Bhagavan. I can do anything to you. But I can give the
Instruction.
They will look like this. Nanmani Manjari, Nanmani Manjari. Then Vinod Manjari. Then Raman Manjari. It is 100% carry. So why you got already confirmation ticket? Why you change the flight? My question is coming. If you don't know, just go. Eh? You understand my philosophy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, why am I saying these things? You come, Gurudev accepts you, Ramana Mani Manjari. Very nice. Gurudev is so kind. And he giving shelter to everybody. He's completely what? And Udar Chitta. Udar Chitta means? Generous. And he says, come to me. I will give Gurudev directly. No Acharya saying these things. You come, I will give you. He boldly. Understand? When I reading, when listening some Gurudev, heart melted. And when I looking how the people are stupid nonsense, checking shelter or bona fide Guru, are going running here and there. I don't understand. And actually this is called their Durbhaga, they are unfortunate. I cannot stop to them. But when I am listening, bargaining, our Gurudev, 100%. Already you got the which ticket? Confirmed ticket. Just you also want.
Join the line.
Are you no like just you? What is called ticket? Airport में वो plane में जो चढ़ते हैं क्या बोलते हैं?
Only boarding. Sitting down only. Only sitting down.
Boarding.
Gate.
Boarding gate. Just step your feet on the flight airplane. Chalo. You understand? You got. No one is no checking, nothing. Very simple.
No luggage.
Language allowance.
Are luggage allowance already they are inside? Yes, I'm saying this. So why you running here and there? 100%. If you give up this song, then you cannot come back. Then paschatap karoge. You will be worried. Oh, what did I?
Regret.
Regret? No.
Lamentation.
No, okay. Onusochan, you repented. Repented. Oh, what I did? I did mistake. Understand? And if you reject this ticket, confirmation ticket, then you one day will be repented. Oh, why did I cancel this ticket?
This is aparat. This is aparat.
I cannot say this way. I am not giving this commentary, but I am saying this way. This is not all the stupid nonsense. Maybe offense, maybe, I don't know. I am not giving the conclusion. I am hungry. Jaso Munti Nam.